Hi guys, it's me again. So we wrapped songs for Selena last night at 1 a.m. and now I am on a plane on a flight to Los Angeles. I'm with
Iya and her bangs. This is new. Welcome to my bangs.
Ia Villania. Don't get
Mica.
it twisted. Villania.
I think we're trying to... Will?
Sorry, Will.
We're talking to you, Will. It's Villania. Not
Villania.
Villa
How
Ocampo.
hard is it?
It's not Villanueva. It's not Villa de Rosa or any of that. It's Villania. But you know, to keep it simple, let's just say Arellano. Or you can just call me Primo's mom.
Oh my god, so we haven't seen each other in like years,
Yes.
right? We only see
There's
each other
probably...
online.
Yeah, when was the last time we saw each other? I would just watch her IGTV.
Just stalk her on Instagram. But we've been friends, we've known each other for a long time. I was at her wedding.
Yeah.
And her wedding was one of the inspos for
Really?
when I was thinking about maybe getting married. I was like, oh, that was such a beautiful wedding.
Really?
On top of a cliff with the sun going down and the
yeah,
beach.
it was, I have to say, God was really good to us on that day.
Yeah.
So if you guys are wondering how we know each other through JR. Sorry, JR.
JR.
JR and I were working together for the longest time. We were also under the same management for a long time too.
You were one of the first really good friends of his that I met when I moved back to the
Oh
Philippines.
really?
It was you, Kyla, Karil.
Yun.
So,
Yeah.
what number are you supposed to be over there?
37. Hi.
we have a seat there at 37.
37. Yeah, because if it's empty, I'm gonna move over there so you could have all the seats here. But if it's not empty,
Okay.
then
No problem.
It's
No
okay,
problem.
no-
No problem. We'll leave that up to you.
Yeah. No pressure at all.
Oh no pressure. In fact, it would be better if it's empty.
Like the whole
I'm gonna
row.
ask. Yeah.
We'll check later if no one's gonna be sitting.
Well, actually, the middle seat will be empty
Yeah, but it
because
looks
that's
like,
where you're supposed to be sitting.
Yeah.
but it looks like the two seats in between. I would both are empty, then I would.
Right now there's no one there.
Yeah.
We're just trying to figure out our seating arrangement.
Oh, they're still loading.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Huwag tayo umasa.
We'll
Let's just hope for the best and expect the worst.
Basically, Ia and I bumped into each other on the line, and we're kind of sit together.
Yeah, sorry,
sitting
we're
together.
just economy flyers. Don't judge us.
Don't shade the
Because they might
economy
be thinking, ah, ba't hindi sila business class?
Bakit mahal kaya
FYI.
business class?
Well, I'm a budget flyer. Are you a budget flyer?
I just want to get from point A to point B. So if I want to go wherever in the world, I will ride anywhere.
Exactly. That's why I guess it's perfect na rin that we bumped into each other.
Yeah, I
So
thought I was
because
going to be flying
it
alone.
does get a little medyo siksik now when you're in economy. But it's not bad
If you know the person
yeah,
next to
exactly.
you.
Exactly. So you know we can do this or we can do this.
In fact, someone took your seat.
Oh, maybe they switched seats. Maybe they found out that it was empty.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Say hi to my vlog.
Show them my hair.
What is? Oh, your hair is really good. Did you come from Boracay?
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder.
Yeah, it's nice.
So right now we're just hoping that seats will be empty.
Yeah, so we can find a row where we can just chill and be more comfortable. Last time I flew to LA, I got bumped to business class by accident. I mean, by chance. I don't know. I was the very back row, and then the stewardess came up and was like, Javier, Mica Javier. And I was like, yes, am I in trouble? And she was like, no, you're upgraded to business class. I literally was like, how? By
Lucky
fluke.
bomb.
It was fun.
Asa pa tayo pwede mangyari ngayon.
You're
It's,
flying back to Manila next week.
Monday.
Monday.
So
Same as me.
hopefully, what time is your flight on Monday?
I'm not sure. I think it's a later flight.
I come back like 4 in the morning.
Yeah, I arrived like 4 in the morning.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna
the
be on the
26th.
same. We're gonna be on the same flight coming back. Yay!
JR's gonna be with us. Oh, so we can take the whole entire row.
That is so funny.
I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun.
What are the chances, dude?
No chances. You just never know. You just have to like do life with a positive mindset, and you never know. Adventures just come your way with cool people.
Yeah.
And we landed in LA. Safe and sound.
Yes.
It took us
Approximately 10 hours later.
12 hours or so.
12 hours of talking, watching videos and movies, and all, and eating whatever they could offer. We were looking for more. It wasn't enough, actually.
So funny. This one would be like,
You have peanuts?
where's the button for that tendon?
I
We
know,
need to
I
order
need
food.
Give me food.
We watched like how many movies? 6 movies.
Maybe 5 or 6.
So
Yay, we're in LA. Did we get any sleep? Well, Mica did.
I tried to.
I didn't.
So we keep driving.
Wow.
Okay.
The sky.
And we're in LA together again.
Oh, finally!
He just came from Hawaii from Ate Jean's wedding, and now I met him up in LA.
We're together.
We just took a power nap because jet lag and flights are just so tiring. And I came straight from the Songs for Selena movie set, so kind of tired, but loving it. Oh, look, there's a Union Bank here. It's probably a different bank, huh?
Probably.
We're gonna have an adventure vacation.
Yeah.
So it's in the evening now. We ate and everything. He's laughing like a crazy
Don't
person.
listen to him. It's fake. Fake news, man. It's fake news.
So we parked outside of the restaurant, the Japanese restaurant we ate at, and JR was like, I'm gonna park here because it's free. Yo, our car got towed. Our car got freaking towed, yo. I was saying how, look. Damn. I was saying how, look, it's
Fake
a
news.
dog and cat grooming store. And the sign that says private property.
real.
It says private property, RC's towing,
Fake
whatever,
news.
24 hours a day, park at your own risk. We didn't read the sign. Where's the car now?
Don't listen to her. It's fake.
No! We got our car towed like
Show him the sign.
idiots. Here's the sign.
It's so small.
It's so dark,
like
though.
dark.
Can you put a light on it? Put a light on it. Private property. Unauthorized or improperly parked vehicles will be
That's a fake sign,
impounded
dude. That's not
24
even
hours
real.
a day.
That's a
24
fake
hours
sign.
a day,
It's
yo.
not even real.
What the hell? So we're gonna go find the car now. It's like midnight in LA and we have no car.
Midnight? What
What
are you
time is it?
exaggerating?
What time is
It's
it?
9:30.
Okay, 9:30.
Trying to make the vlog sound all cool.
What?
and
It is
shit.
cool. It is because it's never happened to me before.
1 minute for the Uber. Fucking Uber. It's never happened to me, man. It's never happened to me before.
Where are you from? He said that it was taboo and bad luck
Sabu,
to,
and then my fucking car got towed.
to take a piece of the volcanic rock lava
I knew this was gonna
stones
happen.
in Hawaii, and he took one. He showed it to
Herbert,
me.
847. Boom, Herbert.
He took
See?
one. He showed it to
Look.
me, and now bad luck. Hello, this is all your fault. You took the
Herbert.
volcanic rock from Hawaii.
How you doing, man?
Hello.
How are you tonight? Yeah. I tried to deal it down and everything. Told him it's not my car.
He was like,
I was like,
He
yeah,
was
I
like,
don't
it's
have a
my-
job, man.
it's my mom's car. I don't even have a job. Got any discount for us, man?
He was like,
He's
oh
like,
yeah, cash is
Yeah,
$7 cheaper.
$7 cheaper. It's $310 for credit card purchase and $303 for cash. We don't have cash, so we're walking to an ATM right now.
Damn it.
But this guy was like, I don't have a job, man. No mercy.
No mercy.
Note to self: never get your card towed in Los Angeles because it's fucking expensive. never happened to me ever before, Boo. This is so funny. This
What
is.
an
Oh my
adventure.
god. Oh no. I thought it was a rat. It's a cat. It's over there. There, where the main road is. We're looking for an ATM so that we can pay for the car so we can go home. Because it's not even his car, it's his mom's car.
Green Earth.
You know what they do, Boo?
Ooh.
I feel like. You want to go in there?
No.
I feel like because your mom's car is it's more expensive because it's premium. So the $303 could have been $103.
Why are you vlogging all this?
I'm speculating.
Why are you
Allegedly.
telling the world that we got towed?
Allegedly. It's funny. Because who does that? Who gets towed on their first day in LA
Damn it.
after getting out from the airport?
I'm so smooth. I got all the smooth tricks for you. Are you
Yeah.
sure it's this way? There's nothing
He
there.
said it's this way, so you gotta listen.
California bagel or some shit?
Totally should have brought my tripod thingy because my arm hurts. Now they get to see our double chins. Okay, this is the arm up and this is the arm down. Which version do you like better? Which angle?
The arm up.
Why am I like so giddy right now? It's because it's like
'Cause we
day.
got towed. You're so busy because we got towed.
Because it's daytime in Manila and it's nighttime here, so I'm
You're
awake
just
AF.
happy that
I'm just happy that we're
I
not
got
in
bad
Manila.
luck because it took that route.
Because you took the volcanic rock from Hawaii. That's what you did. Look what happened. It smells like something.
Sound Studios.
Ooh, 10
Sound Studios.
It says Sound Studios, 10 fully equipped rehearsal studios, not recording studios.
I don't think it's here, boo.
Oh my god, my arm hurts. Okay, bye guys. There goes Boo. It is currently 9:51 p.m. Arrived here at 9:30 a.m. Went to JR's mom's house to take a nap. And then when we woke up, we decided to go get some. JR tried to steal my phone. So we took a nap at his mom's house and then we decided to go do some shopping. Kill some time, and then we had dinner. Really yummy Japanese dinner at Izakaya M, which he used to take me to when he was courting me. At the time, he just took me to this Japanese spot. Really good. So we go outside and the car is gone.
Not
Gone.
True. Not true.
The car is gone.
Fake news.
Not fake news, because we literally are walking around the middle of nowhere, Los Angeles right now, trying to find a damn car. We don't know where it is. Ay, ay, ay. Hilarious. So, first day in LA, an adventure, hell yeah. Hey guys, so we picked up the car, we went to a bar, got a drink, because we needed one, and now we're home. There's a foot behind my head. And we're gonna go to sleep now because clearly we're super sabaw, we're tired and jet lagged. So it's time to go to bed. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.